To create a new report, you'll want to use a report template like the blank report standard template. Now the page settings for this one, as you can see, is an A4 portrait, the page that we're looking at here. Let's start by adding a couple of text boxes to become like a page header. My page header should be saying that this is a monthly report in the caption here. Let's change the font size 22 bold like this. And maybe we would like a subcaption here as well. And the subcaption should simply tell us when this report has been run in a dynamic way. So I'm going to put in some fixed text, report run, and then add some dynamic content to it. System variables. This is where you can find current date, like this, and also system variable current time. So having done those two, we can left align it, make sure that it's properly aligned. And furthermore, I would like to add a bottom border here, so that we can see that when it becomes a page header, then we'll see that it's being properly separated from the rest of the report. So let's just make sure it's properly located and properly sized like this. And then we could go and add another text box, and this text box is actually going to become an image on background. I'm going to add a target logo as an image, this one here, and maybe we should resize it and make sure that it goes into the proper place up here, something like this. And maybe already you can see maybe the logo is actually too big, so maybe I should change the image size from here, maybe down to 40%. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so that was the page header. Now let's add a similar page footer down here. So that'll become another couple of text boxes. And the first one here is, I'm going to use that for showing page numbers. So I'll use page, and then again some dynamic content, system variable, page number something of my page total, another system variable, total number of pages, like that. And just make sure that we have a proper font size here, 12. Okay, and that, and alignment wise should go on top and the right hand side. And also here, let's add in this case, a top border, small top border here, just to make sure that we'll be able to separate our footer from the remaining report, something like this. Okay, another text box I would like to insert here is something related to a criteria explanation. And that's actually just a system variable. It's this one here called document criteria explanation, this one. And we can use that for telling what criteria actually applies to the report, which would be nice when you have this in, let's say, in a printed format. So having done that, I just need to put it into its proper position down here in the lower left corner. So now we got that. Let's have a look at this result as it is now. So I can use my print button here to produce a PDF file, and we can see now I got my header, report header up here, and the report footer down here.